Welcome back, AFMers. This is Nick Shocker with another addition to the Nano and More Screencast series. Today I want to highlight the ultimate method to save money when you make your next purchase of AFM probes. It's our super popular volume discount model. So what is it, and why do we do it? Let's explore. Frequently, we have been asked for an educational or partnership discount. Hey, you inquired, we responded. Our solution was a volume discount model, which is built directly into our entire portfolio of general AFM probe brands. Well, how does it work? It's quite simple. Buy more and spend less. You can save over 51% with the volume discount model. You automatically receive a built-in quantity discount compared to the smallest pack size available. Follow me through this quick demonstration. Welcome to NanoAndMore USA's homepage. Let's use a couple examples. How about the famous nanosensors PPP-NCHR and the budget sensors TAP 300 AL-G probes? On each of the product pages, simply locate the gold star. Click on the star to reveal the brand's discount levels. In this example, 10 probes cost $320. Compared to this price, a package of 20 probes saves you $67, a discount of 10.5%. Purchasing 50 probes saves you even more money at $335, a discount of almost 21%. The best deal for this brand is a full wafer of 380 probes, saving you almost $6,000, a discount of 47%. Let's review the other example. Our extremely popular budget sensors TAP 300 AL-G. Let's do a quick search. Locate and click on the gold star. As you can see, when you purchase a wafer of 380 probes, you can save even more money with a 51% discount. That is fantastic. Now simply add to your shopping cart and check out. That's it. It's that simple. There are no promo codes necessary as all AFMers get the same discount opportunity. The volume discount model is year-round and will not expire. Certainly the best bang for your buck in the AFM probe market. Don't forget to tell your colleagues about the Gold Star savings at Nano and More. And as always, if you have any questions, please contact us directly. Stay tuned for more Nano and More screencasts. Thanks again for watching and happy scanning!